Wala akong fake news. Okay na yan. Ginawa ninyo what? Ginawa ninyo poster girl ng fake news. Wala akong fake news kahit isa. Can you all do that to me? Wala akong mga koleksyon. What is yun? Diba? Hindi kayo eh. Ako. Labang ko. Yung katapay lang. Mamumukha for fake news, sir. Tama ba yun? Wala akong kahit isang fake news na binigay na ginawa. Tapos,
Comsec, please present the video.
Sa likod ng bawat viral post, may mga pulis at military daw na magre-resign dahil di na raw nila kaya. Patriotism may ass. Kayo kaya ang taksil sa bayan. Sa bawat papagat na naka-all caps.
The DDS of the Duterte diehard supporters are a large group of people in the Philippines. What's funny about them is that they are so gullible and effortless to manipulate. These DDS people need education. They need a lot of it. They believe everything the Duterte family says. They don't think at all.
90% of Filipinos exposed to political fake news. Only 0.1% can detect deepfakes.
Ang tanga ng gobyernong to.
I apologize for saying the word tanga in my post.
Kayong mga vloggers, wag kayong magbibigay ng opinion lang, impression ninyo. Ibigay nyo yung katotohanan, may dokumento kayo. I am the chairman of the Human Rights and one that's investigating. I am actually insulted with your state.
That is my truth. Those are my opinion. Anyway,
Ikaw ang sumuli, si Chair.
Okay po, sir.
Ikaw ang
My
sumulat eh.
apologies. Yes. Okay. My
Sinulat
apologies.
mo yun eh.
Okay po, tanga po ako, sir.
TRICOM, 19th Congress. The fight against fake news has begun. Pero hindi lang ito laban ng TRICOM. Laban ito ng taong bayan. Makiisa, makialam, manindigan.
I was forced to say sorry for something I did not want. And at that time, my mother was dying, so I had to say sorry. He just...
Sir, kahit naman iba yung magulang ko, walang nagbabayad sa amin. Wala, sana pinag-investigation na kami. Wala naman palang clue na meron kami nagbabayad sa amin.
Pinatulong pa, pinasuhan nyo na lang umiyak.
Because sir, para sa inyo, this is another day at your job. Pero you've been affecting the lives of normal Filipinos. Like her, like some of us, we can take it. Like Trixie, she's a lawyer. But some of us are just normal people. Alam mo, sir. Pero sir, you chose to have this life. We are normal people na nagrereklamo lang.
I'm here right now to just personally tell you na I'm sorry for offending you.
That's all, sir. Sorry for calling me tanga.
Well, in that investigation, if you don't even
Sorry for giving me an option to either get detained or...
actually a blanket statement of just saying it is a public. But you know, siyempre is a more of a burst of yeah.
Maybe someday, sir, sa ngayon, hindi pa. I just hope we all get what we deserve in this lifetime and next, sir.
Ito na ipigil mo yan ako.
Like I told you everything I want to tell you earlier, kung gaano kasama yung loob ko sa inyo, and like I told you, if I can sue you all for what you did, I will work. But it's just that you're all immune. That's it. But I hope you don't do this to other Filipinos.
No.
Don't do it anymore to other Filipinos. Tama na yung ginawa niyo sa akin.
I'm not used to do it with anything. It is just an investigation and determination.
To you, it's just an investigation. But to us, it's our lives that's been shattered. We were shamed. We were discredited.
I'm also a victim of so many bash.
We all got bashed.
And I'm victim natin sila.
You could have just talked to us and asked us, but hindi sana ganun, sir. Anyway, he's already there.